right, we're up this morning bright and early. We're on the road again. We're headed out this morning for the last day of the Winter 4x4 Jamboree, and I am guiding the Toquerville Falls loop. And man, there's a big group with us today. I think there's 20 or so rigs. So we're gonna get up here on this little bit of road and get aired down, let everybody have a minute to check the rigs out and say hello. We'll get up the road and we'll take you along for the ride. 151,880.
Yeah, 151,880.
So that's our crew today. We're gonna go have a good old time. Toquerville Falls. Lots of rigs today. Well, I know one thing for sure is we've got crisp cold air this morning after that snowstorm yesterday. The wind's blowing a little bit and it's kind of, I don't say miserable because it's never miserable, but it's a little chilly this morning. We got a big group with us. We're gonna poop along the old Toquerville Falls Road, show them the Tower Road and all that. So we're gonna have a pretty dang good time today. Got the dog up front. She's the boss this morning. She's running around like a chicken with her head cut off. She thinks she's pretty hot stuff. There she goes.
Rabbit.
Is it? Well, I'm glad we stopped and got the camera. So the Tower Road's pretty tore up this morning. We're working our way in here. It's really wet with lots of clay, and so we're gonna get up here, take a look off the tower and get back off of here before this frozen mud and clay defrosts. So we'll get up on top and show you the sights from up there. It's pretty neat. Man, do we ever live in a pretty place. We are spoiled rotten to get to come and do this every day. Look at my office. Enough. We got soaked up them views in this brutal wind. We're gonna get out of here. Get him, Bobby, get him! Sit him, sit him, sit him! What you doing? Get up here! Hey, how you doing? right, mate.
Poppy.
All right, well, that was a pretty good trip to Toquerville Falls and up to the towers. I make it to Toquerville Falls, I don't even know how many times a week, but we've hauled dozens and dozens of Jeeps and side-by-sides and Volkswagen cars and you name it out of the Toquerville Falls road. We're always in there doing recoveries, so it doesn't take very long to get tired of that rough old road, but it's still pretty in there. It's kind of nice to go for a leisurely trip with a group instead of having to go in realizing you're going to have to work and get wet and drag a $100,000 Jeep out of the bottom. But we got her done. Thanks for jumping in with us for the Toquerville Falls loop. It's a wrap.